So you will probably get this email. So you're invited. There's nothing really much, but you know that you're invited. So you go into the browser, web browser, or later there will be apps, Android apps or iPhone app. So you can see what it is about. No hassle, no editing, no face, just voice, pure joy of expression, right? So you can try it out even without really entering the app. Like you can select the categories like hot and spicy, comedy, informative, general, and there are 50 supported languages. And the title is not necessary, but let's say, hello there. And then you can start. You can see it's recording 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see a preview. This is a dummy profile here. So you can play it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you can play it and you can re-record it with the same title. I'm gonna re-record the voice because I didn't really just want to just count numbers there, right? I'm gonna re-record the voice because I didn't really just want to just count numbers there, right? Yes. So that's how you create the contents. That's all. You upload and post, then all these are possible. And the great thing about this is each of these, you can see them in separate page, unique URL, and you can share these pages. That's what's amazing about this page. So how to join? You just need to get invited, or you can ask help at honeyvoice.app. Let's go sign in. Enter the email here. Send OTP. So there's no password, no signing up actually. Just sign. You just need to sign in with your email. Gmail. Refresh. Yes, you got it. And there's 6-digit number. You just copy. Paste. You're logged in. Invoice is the main feed. You can see all the feed around the world. You can also set this languages or categories that you want to see, or show only follow the user's post. All you can do that here. And you can also create contents here, just like say general, hi, good to be here, right? Something like this. Just start recording. Hi, good to be here. You get a random profile image at first. Hi, good to be here. And you can upload it. Done, it's there. Hi, good to be here. So you can click it. It gets its own separate URL page. And you can copy the URL just by tapping that. You can delete it if you want. And you can like even your own, mark it for later. People can leave replies. You can also leave replies. Reply to myself. I'm replying to myself because this is the best thing I can do. Yeah, you can also check. I'm replying to myself because this is the best thing I can do. Yes, and you can also download it. And also other people can leave replies here. This is just amazing. Whenever you click this one, it will lead you to home. Profile to edit. So username, I'll get good. Even good will be available. Success. Here, my voices, you can see what you uploaded, right? And what you like. Of course, I like my own. And who you're following, you're not following. I'm not following anyone yet. So let's go check other people's contents.
This video is a guided meditation.
This sounds cool. So I'll go in, I like this, and I'll also check this person's profile and I'll follow it. Right there. So now if I go into following, I can see who I'm following and what I like. It will be also updated there. So we move on to discover. More people will see the content, so it's amazing. And also here you can search for any users or contents by username or title at the same time. very convenient. The reason why I'm liking the contents is I also like it, but I also want to like look back because all these things will be updated so fast. If you don't like those or if you don't follow them, you will forget or like you will have a hard time to find the contents again, right? And on invite, you want to invite your friend. Yeah, basically that's about it. It's a very simple app. There's no ad. It's clean app and there's no payment, but it's closed beta service. And if you want to participate, just mail me at help@honeyvoice.app and I'll send you an invitation. Okay? All right. So honeyvoice.app, and I'm really looking forward to all your feedbacks and like questions and everything. And help me grow this app. Let's grow this app together. Thank you.